All right, in this video, we're going to cover objectives 2 and 3. We're going to talk about Venn diagrams. That's what this first one is on. And we're also going to talk about sets when you do complements, intersections, and unions. So let's get started. Let's look at this Venn diagram first. Let's see if we can explain it a little bit. This would be set A right here. So everything in set A would be A, B, C, D. This would be set B. Everything in set B would be D and E. But notice that D is in both sets. This would be called the intersection right here. Now we have a couple of things hanging out here, F and G. Those are in the universal set, but they are not part of set A or B. So set A consists of 1 and 2 here. Set B consists of 2 and 3. And then 4 out here is the universal set. So let's answer these questions now. For the universal set, that would be everything, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's what's listed in the set brackets. For B, so we're talking about this green circle. For B, it's just D and E, and you would put that in set brackets. For part C, different color here, part C says the set of elements in A, but not in B. So we want what is in A, all of this, but not in B. So we would not include D. So the answer would be A, B, and C. This one says the set of elements in the universal set, but not in B. So we want everything except not what's in B. So that's going to be A, B, C, and F, G, which is what they have here. And part E says the set of elements in both A and B. Okay, that and means it's in both. And that would just be D. That's what's in A and B. Next, we're going to talk about the complement of a set. Now, complement of set A is written as A with a little mark up there. We call that A prime. That's the set of all the elements in the universal set that are not in A. So every time you see a complement, it's everything that is not in A. Let's try one. So here's my universal set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is going to be 1, 3, 4, and 7. So this is A, 1, 3, 4, 7. Now we want a complement. So we want everything that's left that is not in A. Well, that's going to be 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 2, 5, 6, 8, 9 would be a complement. You mark out the ones that are from A and you pick everything else. That's called a complement. Next, we're going to talk about intersection. Here's the symbol. An upside down U means intersection. That's what the sets have in common. Intersection is what they have in common. Okay, so let's look. For this one, we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we want the intersection with 6, 8, 10, 12. So basically, we want what they have in common. They both have an 8 and they both have a 10. Now, if you put that in a Venn diagram, you can see that very easily here. This was the first set. This was the second set. What they have in common is the 8 and the 10. Here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, intersection, 2, 4, 6, 8. In other words, what do they have in common? They have absolutely nothing in common. So this would be empty set. And for part C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, intersection, empty set, what do they have in common? Well, nothing. They have nothing in common. Okay? And lastly, we're going to talk about union. When it says union, you use the U symbol. Okay? And that means everything that's in both. We are going to unite them and put them together. So on this example, it says find the union of the following sets. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 8, 10, 12. We want to put everything. We see a 6, a 7, an 8. Now, 8 is in both sets, but you don't have to list it twice. Okay, just once. A 9, a 10, an 11, and 12. This would be the union. You put everything together. Part B, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going to put them all together, and we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7, 9. And part C, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, union, the empty set. We're going to put these together. Well, there's nothing in the empty set, so we end up with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9.